Think and Grow Rich is a self-help book. The book is based on Hill's study of successful individuals, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison, and their methods for achieving success. Think and Grow Rich is a timeless classic that offers practical advice and guidance for anyone looking to achieve success and prosperity in their lives. Chapter 1. Thoughts are material. Thoughts are the starting point of all achievement. Everything that has ever been created began with a thought. Thoughts are powerful because they have a vibrational frequency that can attract similar thoughts, people, and circumstances. Our thoughts can be controlled and directed towards a specific goal or desire, and this is the key to achieving success. The subconscious mind is the most powerful tool we have for controlling our thoughts and shaping our reality. Our thoughts can have a physical impact on our bodies and health, as well as our environment and circumstances. Fear and doubt are negative thoughts that can prevent us from achieving our goals and dreams. Positive thoughts, such as faith, courage, and determination, are essential for success and can help us overcome obstacles and challenges. The law of attraction states that we attract into our lives what we focus on, whether it be positive or negative. We have the power to choose our thoughts and beliefs, and this is the key to changing our lives. Our thoughts can be transformed into their physical equivalent through a combination of desire, faith, and persistence, and the starting point for achieving success is to master our thoughts and control our minds. Chapter 2. The first step to wealth. A burning desire. A strong, burning desire is the starting point of all achievement and is the first step towards riches. Desire is not just a wish or a hope, but a strong, intense emotion that drives us to take action towards our goals. Desire is the fuel that drives us to overcome obstacles and challenges and to persist in the face of setbacks. The chapter discusses the story of Edwin C. Barnes, who had a burning desire to work with Thomas Edison, and how his desire helped him overcome numerous obstacles to achieve his goal. The chapter emphasizes the importance of having a definite, specific goal, and the need to focus one's desire on achieving that goal. The chapter highlights the difference between a wish and a burning desire, and how the latter is necessary for achieving success. We need to take action towards one's goal, and desire can help us take the necessary steps to achieve success. Desire is the starting point of all achievement, and that those who have a burning desire to achieve their goals are the ones who ultimately succeed. Chapter 3. The second step to wealth. Faith. Faith is the starting point of all achievement. The chapter discusses the story of a man who, despite being blind, had faith in his ability to see and eventually regained his sight. Faith is essential for achieving success because it helps us overcome fear, doubt, and other negative emotions. Faith is not just a mental belief, but a state of mind that involves emotion, imagination, and action. The chapter emphasizes the importance of having a positive mental attitude and how faith can help us maintain a positive mindset. The chapter also discusses the importance of persistence and how faith can help us persist in the face of setbacks and challenges. The chapter highlights the role of visualization and how faith can help us visualize our goals and see them as already achieved. The chapter emphasizes the importance of taking action towards our goals, and how faith can help us take bold, decisive action. Chapter 4. The third step to wealth. Self-navigation. Self-navigation or self-hypnosis is the process of influencing the subconscious mind through the repetition of positive affirmations and suggestions. The subconscious mind is the most powerful part of the mind and controls our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. Self-navigation is a powerful tool for changing our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, and can help us achieve our goals and desires. Emotions are very important in self-navigation. The stronger the emotion associated with an affirmation, the more effective it is. The chapter emphasizes the need for specificity in self-navigation, and how vague or general affirmations are less effective than specific, concrete ones. The conscious mind in self-navigation can help to strengthen and reinforce the suggestions made to the subconscious mind. An important role of belief, meditation and visualization in strengthening one's self-navigation. Self-navigation is a powerful tool for influencing the subconscious mind and achieving success. Those who have learned to master this tool ultimately succeed. Chapter 5. The fourth step to wealth. Specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge is knowledge that is specific to a particular field or industry and is not known to the general public. This means that in order to become successful in a particular area, one must possess the knowledge and skills specific to that area. Specialized knowledge is important for success in any field because it provides a competitive advantage and helps to differentiate yourself from others. It is important to invest time and effort in acquiring specialized knowledge, and to understand how it can lead to greater opportunities and success. The chapter discusses the importance of continuous learning and staying up to date with developments in your field to maintain a competitive advantage, and emphasizes the importance of hands-on experience and experimentation in acquiring specialized knowledge. Mentors and experts play a significant role in the acquisition of specialized knowledge, and finding and learning from them can be invaluable. Chapter 6. The fifth step to wealth. Imagination. Imagination is the ability to create mental images and ideas that do not exist in the physical world, and is a powerful tool for achieving success. Imagination can be used to generate new ideas and solutions. It's important to have a specific goal to use imagination effectively. Without a clear goal or purpose, imagination may be unfocused or directionless. The chapter also emphasizes the importance of being able to visualize one's goals and aspirations in order to make them a reality. Without faith in one's ability to achieve their goals, imagination may be limited or inhibited. Imagination alone is not enough. Action must be taken in order to bring ideas to fruition. Imaginative ideas may face resistance or opposition, and it's important to persist in the face of these challenges. By training the subconscious mind to focus on positive, imaginative ideas, individuals can harness the power of their imagination more effectively. By using imagination to generate new ideas, visualize success, and take action, individuals can achieve their goals and realize their dreams. Chapter 7. The sixth step to wealth. Planning is the process of organizing and preparing for actions to achieve a specific goal or objective. Without planning, actions can be unfocused or ineffective. A specific goal helps to focus planning efforts and ensure that actions are aligned with the desired results. It is important to analyze the current situation and identify potential obstacles or problems that may arise during the planning process. The chapter emphasizes the need to create a detailed, step-by-step action plan to achieve the goal. This plan should include specific actions, timelines, and indicators to measure progress. It is important to involve others in the planning process, especially those with specialized knowledge or experience that can help inform and guide the planning effort. Creativity plays an important role in the planning process and how creative thinking can lead to breakthroughs and innovative solutions. Planning is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process that requires constant effort and adjustment. Planning alone is not enough. You need to act to put your plans into action. By using planning to organize and prepare for action, people can achieve their goals and realize their dreams. Chapter 8. The seventh step to wealth. Determination is the quality of being firm and resolute in pursuit of a goal or objective, and is a key factor in achieving success. It is important to make firm decisions in the process of resolve building and stick to them. Determination requires a willingness to continue in the face of challenges and adversity. Faith can provide the motivation and inspiration needed to stay committed to one's goals. Without a clear goal, determination may be unfocused or directionless. Determination alone is not enough. Action must be taken in order to achieve one's goals. The chapter highlights the role of the subconscious mind in the process of determination. By training the subconscious mind to focus on positive, determined thoughts, individuals can harness the power of determination more effectively. It is important to develop a positive mental attitude in order to maintain determination. A positive attitude can help individuals to stay motivated and focused on their goals. By maintaining determination, individuals can overcome obstacles and achieve their goals, no matter how challenging the journey may be. Chapter 9. The eighth step to wealth. Perseverance. Perseverance is the quality of persisting in a course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition, and is a key factor in achieving success. Self-discipline is important in the process of developing perseverance, as well as the ability to control one's thoughts and actions, which can help a person stay focused on their goals. Lack of persistence is one of the primary reasons for failure. Weak desires bring weak results. Ignite the fire of your desire. Great fortunes favor those whose minds are ready to accept them. All persistent individuals are capable of reaching the top, even after many setbacks. Failure is a natural part of the journey towards success, and individuals who persevere are able to learn from their failures and keep moving forward. By persisting in the pursuit of a goal, Individuals can develop the belief that they will eventually achieve their desired outcome. Sometimes, persistence requires changing tactics or adjusting one's course of action in response to changing circumstances. Perseverance will help develop a magical consciousness of abundance, after which the subconscious mind will begin to work continuously for enrichment. Chapter 10. The ninth step to wealth. The power of the brain center. Strength is the foundation of your wealth. Planning without putting in the effort to execute them is futile. Strength is organized knowledge that can be obtained from higher intelligence, accumulated experience, experiments, and research. Sometimes, one cannot do without the help of others. The brain center is the coordinated interaction of knowledge and efforts between two or more people to achieve a specific goal. No one will have a powerful force without a brain center. Wealth depends on the way of thinking. Poverty and wealth often alternate with each other. When wealth replaces poverty, it is usually due to the realization of carefully thought out plans. It is very easy to remain poor. Poverty does not require a plan. Analyze the life of any wealthy person, and you will understand that on the path to their fortunes, they utilized the resources of their brain center. Chapter 11. The 10th step to wealth. The mystery of sexual sublimation. A vast store of sexual energy can be harnessed to achieve prosperity. By understanding how women help men become successful, you can effectively tap into this ancient truth. Sublimation is the change of one element into another. The mechanism of sexual sublimation is easy to explain. It is the switching of consciousness from thoughts about the physical to thoughts of a different nature. Sexual desire is one of the most powerful. Under its influence, people show unprecedented imagination, courage, willpower, perseverance, and creativity. Of course, sexual sublimation requires willpower, but the reward is worth the effort. Scientific studies have confirmed that people of high achievement are usually temperamental by nature and have mastered the art of sexual sublimation. Men who have accumulated great wealth and achieved exceptional recognition were inspired and motivated by women. Under the influence of sexual energy, a person becomes omnipotent. Sexual desire most strongly activates mental activity and triggers physical action. When brain activity is stimulated, we gain the ability to see more than usual. Chapter 12. The 11th step to wealth. The subconscious mind. The subconscious mind receives and records information regardless of its origin. You can plant any plan, thought, or goal that you want to give physical form to. It is important to program your subconscious mind with positive and success-oriented thoughts. We need to use self-hypnosis in subconscious programming. Affirmations can be used to influence our subconscious thoughts. Emotionally colored thoughts are important in subconscious programming. Emotions can be used to give power and energy to our thoughts. Positive and negative emotions cannot dominate the mind at the same time. Your duty is to ensure that positive ones prevail. You need to develop positive habits to achieve success. Develop the habit of expressing positive emotions. The chapter highlights the role of fear in shaping our subconscious thoughts and actions, and how to overcome fear by focusing on positive thoughts and affirmations. Program your thoughts and actions for positive and success-oriented outcomes. Chapter 13. The 12th step to wealth. The intellect. If you stimulate and accelerate the work of the intellect, it becomes more receptive to ideas from external sources. It is enough to use three components: the subconscious, creative imagination, and self-navigation. Self-discipline is important for development one's intelligence. Discipline can be used to focus and channel one's thoughts towards achieving success. Curiosity, thirst for knowledge and continuous learning will lead to success. The chapter discusses the role of organized planning in utilizing one's intelligence, and how planning can be used to focus one's thoughts towards achieving specific goals. For centuries, people have been limited to knowledge of the physical world. The modern era is the most interesting of all, because it can reveal the secrets of the intangible world. 10 trillion tiny helpers, the cells of your brain, form a picture of thought, imagination, and will. Your mind can hold as much knowledge as you need to succeed. Chapter 14. The 13th step to wealth. The sixth sense. The sixth sense is a means of connecting a person, without any effort or request on his part, with the higher mind. This is the pinnacle of the philosophy of success. The sixth sense is the element of the subconscious mind that we call the creative imagination, or the receiver of ideas, plans and thoughts that flash into the mind. These flashes are sometimes called intuition or inspiration. With the help of your sixth sense, You can anticipate future threats in time to avoid them, and you can sense opportunities just when they are available to you. Usually, such knowledge comes when the mind is under the influence of a powerful stimulant. Any extraordinary event that arouses emotions and makes the heart beat faster can and often does trigger the sixth sense. The sixth sense cannot be turned off and on at will. The ability to use this powerful force comes gradually, with the application of other principles. Desire is the starting point of any achievement. And the point of arrival is the state that gives you an understanding of yourself, others, the laws of nature, recognition and understanding of happiness. It is fully possible only through mastering the sixth sense. Chapter 15. The Six Ghosts of Fear. The chapter discusses the six most common fears that hold people back from success: fear of poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. These fears are often irrational and unfounded and can be overcome through awareness and action. It is important to identify and overcome your fears in order to move beyond them and achieve success. Imagination and visualization play an important role in overcoming fear. Imagining success can help counteract negative thoughts and emotions. You need to act in spite of fear, not let it paralyze or hold you back. Fear of criticism can be particularly detrimental to success, and can be overcome by focusing on your own goals and values. It is important to maintain a positive mental attitude to overcome fear and achieve success. The fear of poverty can be overcome by focusing on abundance and creating value for others. It is important to take calculated risks to overcome fear and achieve success. Everyone is afraid of something, and sometimes for good reason. But some fears can take deep root and germinate without your knowledge if you don't reject the doubts and indecision that sow the seeds of fear in time. There is a practical guide at the end of the book. The book, Think and Grow Rich, has inspired more people to achieve success than any other work by a contemporary author. Remember, the mind can achieve anything it sets its mind to.